Yes, combining reinforcement lock devices with other smart home security measures creates a layered defense that reduces successful break-in attempts. Start by choosing reinforcement hardware that matches your door type and expected threat level, such as heavy-duty strike plates, long-throw deadbolts, and hinge bolts for outward swinging doors. Pair these with door position sensors that report open and closed states to your hub, so you know if a door is forced or left ajar. Add Wi-Fi cameras with clear night vision pointed at primary entry points and set them to record on motion, but maintain a short pre-buffer to capture approach sequence. Integrate security lighting on motion with adjustable sensitivity to avoid constant triggers from landscaping movement and position lights to eliminate dark approach corridors to the door. Use a smart siren or chime that can be triggered by either contact sensors or a monitoring platform to create an audible deterrent and to alert neighbors in real time. Maintain the chain by regularly testing battery levels, communication status, and the physical mounting of reinforcement plates and locks, so the electronic parts and mechanical parts do not fail under stress. Common mistakes include relying solely on electronics while skimping on physical reinforcement. A high-quality lock and properly anchored strike plate are the foundation, so always prioritize anchoring and correct bolt length. Another frequent issue is placing sensors or cameras incorrectly, which causes blind spots or false alarms. Fix this by walking the approach path yourself at different times and adjusting device angle and height to capture human-sized targets. A third problem is neglecting regular maintenance and software updates, which can leave integrated systems unreliable. Schedule quarterly checks for batteries, firmware updates, and re-torque fasteners to keep both the mechanical and networked components functioning together. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse peer discussion threads to learn how others combined reinforcement hardware with cameras and sensors. We also help contractors find work by listing services and connecting them with nearby projects while hosting an active community for problem solving and recommendations.